My roll number is 126. My point of presentation is velocity of a point on a link. First of all, what is meant by velocity? Velocity refers to the rate of change of a particle of a point on the link with respect to time. It is a vector quantity, meaning it has both direction as well as magnitude. Then velocity of a component can be components of velocity. That is, first one is linear velocity, which represents the speed of the point along a straight line, and second one is angular velocity, which represents the rate of change of rotation at the link around a specific axis. Figure B, in anti-clockwise direction with some angular velocity v. Let V A is the absolute velocity of point A to as magnitude and direction, and absolute velocity VB is of point B. Absolute velocity of point B is VB. Then the velocity of a direction is determined by drawing velocity diagram. Is as follows. First one, take one convenient point O. Through point O, draw parallel line. Draw parallel vector OA and VA, and take a one convenient origin point O. Through point O, draw vector OA parallel and equal to VA to some suitable scale. Through point A, draw a line perpendicular. Through point A, draw a line perpendicular to AB. AB represent the relative velocity of point B. That is VAB. Through point O, draw a line perpendicular to the VAB. VAB intersecting the vector VAB. Therefore, absolute velocity of a point VBA is equal to the scale VB is equal to the scale VB. Therefore,